Welcome to Blaster Pit Stop. I'm Tom Raybeck, your host, and this season we're going to be visiting garages across the United States and looking at some incredible projects. And I'm sure we're going to meet some characters along the way. We're going to look at everything from rat rods to race cars, classics to customs. But today, we're on my turf. Welcome to my garage. Come on in. This is my good friend Jesse Leggins. I haven't seen him in some time. He calls me up, tells me we need to do some work on his Chevelle. So we'll be getting into that in a little bit. As you can tell, the garage isn't all that big. This is where we sit and watch the games. That's my machining center. That's where I do all my fabrication work and whatnot. And of course there's the wood burner. That's what keeps me warm during the winter. And in fact, I can fit 8 chicken legs in that thing. And the 1950 Pontiac dashboard over there, I'm hoping to graft that into the 62 Econoline.
Get this thing to stop leaking vacuum, so.
All right. Well, I'm ready to tear into it.
Yeah, let's get into it.
And why is it like every hot rod show's got a Chevelle in it?
Exactly.
I don't know.
Now one with a straight 6 and 2 more doors.
You know what? Before we take this whole thing off, why don't we go check the food?
That sounds like a
It's
plan.
a good idea, isn't it? More mints on the corn, we should be ready to go.
I'm ready.
All right, let's close this out.
During the blaster, you'll need about 16 cases to keep this thing on the road because it's the most absurd vehicle I ever seen.
You good with the orange gasket sealer? You don't care what color it is?
No.
All right, we'll use the orange stuff then.
That's as long as I'm not doing the work.
All right, Jesse, get that gasket ready. I'm gonna get the manifold. We gotta hurry this up. It's getting dark out and I'm getting hungry.
Good to go.
Yeah, I think we fixed the vacuum leaks. And this is as fixed as it's going to get tonight because I'm getting sort of hungry. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to this Blaster Pit Stop. There's going to be more to come. We're going to be visiting some real world mechanics doing some really cool stuff. Tune in next time. We're going to grab some grub. Thanks for tuning in to a typical Saturday in my modest garage. Don't worry, the rest of the season is sure to blow your gaskets. Next stop, NHRA Super Comp driver Barney Barnhart. See you then.